마리안입니다. If you don't speak English and if you want Korean subtitle, then I will put subtitles, so yeah, so that you can understand everything that I say. So today I am here to do a video about Amazon. I lived in America for 1.5 years and I am already a huge fan of Amazon. Actually, my husband is the first person who really brought me into Amazon world, because I didn't really know Amazon before. To be honest, in France and in Korea, it was not that big at that time. I think it is bigger now. I'm not sure in Korea, because in Korea there's so much other websites that are very good and they're very fast shipping. So yeah, I'm not sure in Korea if Amazon is big, because Korea is a market, very interesting market. But anyway, in France it's getting bigger, and in America Amazon is like #1, I think. Everyone knows Amazon, everyone shop on Amazon, and I slowly became a Amazon freak. But today I am going to show you 10 things that I bought on Amazon and that, you know, changed my life. So without further ado, first thing that I'm gonna show you is something that I use every day, is this brush from the brand Olivia Garden. It's the ceramic iron. I will put everything down below, so don't worry if you want a exact same thing. Everything is down below. This brush was actually the brush that my hairdresser is using. I can't live with this. I love this. This is just amazing. This is just the best brush ever. I have nothing to say, really. So the second product that I really wanted to show you is this thing. Yes, it's an ice roller that you can roll onto your body if you have ache, for example, right here. Or even better, you can also roll it like this. I have this thing right here, and I really don't like it. I bought this and I put it in the freezer, and it's so cold, and it helped my, you know, the circulation. So you can do it right here, here, and also here. This is so good. And I think there's multiple, like, you can change this thing, which I didn't do, but it's pretty cheap. It's pretty cool, you know, when you can't really ask your husband to massage you and you're alone, or you just want to be independent. Yeah, you can use this. Everything is down below, so yeah. Number 3 is a cleaning pouch for my camera. So if you didn't know, I bought this camera not so long ago for Christmas, and yeah, I wanted to make sure that I keep it clean. So I bought this thing from Altura Photo. Yeah, it's a pouch, and it has everything that you need to keep your lens and your camera clean. So it has brush, like to, you know, brush the dust and stuff. It has this thing, blows air. It has the microfiber thing, everything. It has the liquid to you know, clean everything. So this is very, very good for me. You know, a camera, it's like your baby, so you gotta take care of it. And this time I really love my camera. I really want to use it the best way I can. So I decided to buy this. I'm really happy about it. I used it a lot. Number 4 is a lifestyle product because it's a water bottle. It's a rubber water bottle. So this is the cover. That's the cover that I had a long time ago. But basically it's this. This is the thing. You put hot water in it, so it's hot, and you can keep it like this. And especially for me and for all the women's in the world, I would like to recommend this because when you have your period and when you have cramps, this is number 1 remedy on my list. This is so good. It feels so good to have it near me on my stomach, for example. This is so good. Any pain, you put hot water and you put it onto it. It feels so good and it's an instant relief. So yeah, I will recommend this. This is cheap. We have like 2 or 3 at home. It's so good. 5th item is, ta-da! This microfiber cloth. So it is from, it's a buff and microfiberwholesale.com. So, but yeah, I bought it on Amazon and I got like maybe 10 of them in a pack, and I use it for all my cleaning. To be honest, because I was single when I was in Korea and I was living alone, I didn't really care about cleaning stuff. I know that sounds very bad, but I didn't have time to clean, and I didn't really have some stuff to clean because my one room was so small that it was literally nothing to clean. But coming here in America, even if our apartment is a 1-bedroom and it's pretty small for a American standard, I am more into cleaning because I actually have stuff to clean, and I use this to clean any kind of surface. This is good microfiber cloth to clean your house, and it's very cheap and it comes in pack, so that's very good. I will recommend to buy if you don't have any. Number 6 is the kitchen organizer that my husband bought on Amazon. So let me tell you, I was so skeptical about this item until my husband mounted to our kitchen. Our kitchen is pretty small and I'm kind of obsessed about the KonMari method and about cleaning and about organizing everything. So these days, especially, I was very skeptical because I was thinking, you know, it's gonna take a lot of, it's gonna look busy, it's gonna take a lot of space, blah 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 blah. No, actually, it does look busy, but it makes so much more space for actually cooking, and it's so much better than before. It's so much better. I'm in love. I really like it. So thank you, my love, if you're watching. I don't know if you're watching, but if you're watching, thank you, because I freaking love it. I will recommend this item to anyone who has a small kitchen. We have to use that vertical space. Item number 7 is this product from S Factor TG. So this is again a product that my friend Lisa, she's a hairstylist, and she's a hairstylist. I don't know what is the name for that, but she do hair. She cut hairs, and she cut mine. And yeah, she put that on my hair, and I was like, this is so good. My hair are so smooth, and there's no frizz. And so yeah, she told me this, and she gave me actually hers. Because it was like almost finished, but actually I still use it. This is a new one. You don't need a lot, you just put like this much onto your finger, and then you put it on your hair, whether the hair are dry or not. I will recommend this product to anyone who has fine hair like me. I have very fine hair, so this is my best friend right now. The next product, which is number 8, is this thing. Yeah, I know. What is this thing, Marianne? What is this thing? It is a tube squeezer for any kind of tube. So this is used for painters. You know, when you buy paints and there's still a little bit, but you can't push it in the tube. But I use it for any kind of tube. I use it for my makeup, my toothpaste, my hair product, everything that comes in a tube. This is amazing because it's squeezing everything and you don't waste any product. Yeah, I bought this on Amazon and it was very cheap. It does the job. Item number 9, yeah, number 9 already, is the Wonder Cloth. So I don't have it right now because it's in my bathroom and it's wet, so it's kind of ugly, but it's this. I will put a photo of it, and this is so good for cleaning my face, you know, when I do my makeup. I like to clean my face with this because it helps a lot. They say, you know, you don't put any product and you use it. It does work, but I do use it with a product. I use my Clean It Zero by Banilako, which is a Korean product. It's a balm, so it melts everything. It melts all the makeup, all the waterproof mascara and everything. It melts that, and then I use the Wonder Cloth to get rid of it and to exfoliate a little bit of my face. And then after that I do a double cleanser. So usually I use a foam cleansing and then I rinse my face with lukewarm water. The Wonder Cloth is so good, especially when you travel a lot. I've been traveling a lot and the Wonder Cloth is so good because, you know, sometimes you don't want to take your big bottle of like cleansing or oil cleansing or whatever the cleansing you use. So yeah, it's a good thing to have when you travel. The last item that I wanted to show you and that I bought on Amazon is just right here. I think you saw it from the beginning of my video, but is my pillow. This is my pillow. Yeah, I know, it's huge. It's the brand is Therapeutica, I think. I will put the name somewhere, but this is so good. This, I didn't know about it before, but coming to LA, coming to US, my husband used this one for years and he told me about it, and you know, he asked me, do you want to try? And since the day I tried, I couldn't live without. I basically sleep all the time with this pillow. This is my favorite pillow. I use it every day and I sleep every day. So maybe the shape is weird to you, but you put your head right here and it's so good. It's so good. And that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope that you discovered some new item, and I hope that if you buy it you will like it as much as I do, because I love every single item that I showed you today. Please let me know which product, which item are your favorite. I am very curious and I love discovering new stuff and new products, so please let me know everything in the comment. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye! Boop.